This is a capture challenge for white. It shouldn't be too difficult because black is really short on liberties. If you try these Atari moves first, now black only has 3 liberties left. These 3 black stones are also short on liberties. Maybe white wants to try this move. Looks like a nice move. If black connects here, then white will succeed this way. Or this way, right? This will be a connect and die. But the problem is that black can connect here, white must cut, and this will be a ko. White captures first. Of course, this is a very good ko for white, but still it's a ko. And it's not the best result white can achieve here. The best result is actually much easier. It's just to play this wedge move, keeping the pressure on black's liberties. Black must block here, and white just cuts. Right? This is a double Atari, but of course to get out of this double Atari, black can simply capture number 5. And now white can cut here. It's an Atari move. Black cannot connect. Right? If black connects, then all of these stones will die. So the strongest move black can make is to Atari here on the first line. White cannot play here, so white can only capture these 3 black stones. Now this is an Atari on these 8 black stones. So black can capture back, threatening to cut white off here. So if white plays this, then this will be another ko, which is worse than the first ko we saw, because now black has a local ko threat and has captured back the ko. Whereas the first ko, white captures first, and black has no local ko threat. So number 13 should be here. Now, black's strongest move is to try to connect on the first line, and now white can play this. And if the author is really serious about black only having these 2 stones on the outside here on the second line, white can actually play this, and Atari here from behind, forcing black to connect all of these, and now black only has 3 liberties left on the outside, while white has 4. So as long as white keeps black here on the second line, white will eventually be able to win this race to capture. So maybe there'll be no ko if black really only has 2 stones here, but if these 2 stones are connected to the outside, then white can still capture by playing this ko right here at number 15. So overall, not a super complex problem, although it might take many moves to get to the correct variation, but because black's liberties are so short, white has an easier time reaching a favorable variation. Thank you for watching.